Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sign up or log in. Save your chat history, share chats, and personalize your experience. Title: Automate the boring stuff with Python, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. Introduction. Automating repetitive tasks using Python can save significant time and effort, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your work or personal projects. Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by sweigart is a popular resource for learning how to automate tasks efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll explore some key concepts from the book and provide code examples to help you get started with automating various tasks. Once Python is installed, you can optionally set up a virtual environment to manage dependencies for your projects. Use the following commands in your terminal or command prompt. Similarly, you can install other packages as needed for your specific automation tasks. You can also use these libraries to iterate over files in a directory and perform operations on them. You can extend this example to extract other information like links, images, or text from the web page. Conclusion. Automation with Python can significantly improve your productivity by eliminating repetitive tasks. In this tutorial, we've covered some fundamental concepts and provided code examples to get you started with automating various tasks. Experiment with different libraries and techniques to tailor automation solutions to your specific needs. Happy coding!